Hello, YouTube, and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin, and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in that wonderful little town of Belfair, Washington. Hickville, USA, as I love to call it. So welcome to my channel, everybody. So this is my July 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 27, everybody. Yes, 27 it is, and we're not done yet, but we're getting there. We're almost there, everybody, so hang tight. We'll get done. So this kit is called Sweeter With You, and you could have made 8 cards. The envelopes would all have been the same, but you would have gotten 4 designs. So usually you get 3 designs and 9 cards. So you could have made 2, 2, 2, and 2. On the back, as always, there is this QR code which leads you to a video that will show you how to put these cards together as they were designed. My videos do not do that. I love to just do my own thing. I just get giddy. I love sharing with you what I come up with. It is so much fun. So thank you for giving me that opportunity every day when I put up these videos. It truly is one of the biggest joys I have each and every day. So thank you so much. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Right here it is a typo. It says 9 cards and 9 envelopes. It is 8 cards and 8 envelopes. Videos 1 through 5, I always share with you everything that comes in the kit. After that, I think you've seen enough of that, and we can just get into the crafting part of the video. So down here, this one would lead you to this set of 9 dies. They're called the Circle of Season dies. You will see this, yes, every Paper Pumpkin video from now through the September videos. So heads up, September's will coordinate with a suite called the Autumn Toile suite, I believe. I could double check for you. I always forget to do that, but let me double check just to make sure I'm giving you the right name of it. It will become available to purchase for everyone in September. I'm flipping through the catalog looking for it. There is a little stamp set in here, by the way, when you look through the catalog, because I just saw it. There is a little stamp set called Woodland Scenery on page 19 of the catalog, for those of you who are demonstrators out there who have your catalogs. Take a good look at that little set, because I am really seriously considering grabbing that. That reminds me of some of the older stamp sets that I love so much, and I am so seriously considering nabbing that little set. It just is a sweet little stamp set. It's like $17, and guys, I am so like, don't be surprised if come September 1st, I don't like place that sucker on an order. Okay, where is it? Let me look in the back. It might help if I actually look at Autumn Trees, page 41 in the catalog. I wish I could show it to you now, but I can't. I just want to know the name of the suite. Amber Autumn Bundle. Nope, that's the stamp set I did not get. What's the name? Autumn Toile. I am right. Autumn Toile. It coordinates with September's Paper Pumpkin set. Sorry, we got off on a tangent there with the catalog. Hello, friend. Life is sweeter with you. You're the best. Love you lots. Thank you. The 2 flowers and the strawberry. Okay, let's get on with this card, right? So what are we using? From the kit, we are using the large rectangle scallop. We are using this piece of the flap of the envelope. It measures 1 3/4 by 4 3/8. I've already cut it down. This will fit right snug as a bug in a rug, right? Right inside there. We're using, oops, don't want to lose that flower. We are using 3 flowers from the kit. This little is a scrap piece. You could use a piece like this, a scrap piece, if you don't have your little blue strip. So or you could use one of the backs of these. If you have scraps of these, you could use a piece of that. I'm going to use this little blue piece. Now, my card base is, yes, it's one of those narrow ones. When I run out, I run out. But until then, I'm going to use them. So my card base is 5.5 by 8, scored at 4. this will work with a 5.5 by 8.5 scored at 4 1/4. Don't worry that it's that little narrower. It does not matter with this card. Absolutely does not matter. So I'm not going to use this scrap. I'm going to use this blue piece. Unless I mess up, then I'm going to be using those little scrap pieces. So that does happen on occasion. So before we go stamp anything, let's glue my little piece of envelope flap here into its little snug as a bug little piece, right? Yeah, that little woodland scenery, the more that I think about that set, and from me placing my order, I know that I have, this is what gets me, right? When you place, they give you your rewards, right? But you can't use your rewards until another order. And then when you place an order, you get more rewards. It's a vicious circle that keeps going round and round. Because you place an order, you still got to pay shipping and handling on that little stamp set. Now, that little stamp set is going to cost me $7.95. The stamp set, $17, but it's going to cost me $7.95 to get it to me. That's my only hiccup. That's a racket, I'm telling you. It really is. And do I think about things like that? You better believe it. I do. I do think of things like that. So this is all done for me. That's done. We're going to set that aside. We are going to stamp a background. We are going to do some stamping. Oh, let's stamp this and see if we mess up. Yeah, it does happen. We're not going to pretend that it doesn't. It's stamping with ink. I get ink on me. I got a paper cut right there. A pretty good one, so that's why it's been on for days. It still hurts. So paper cuts can be vicious. Now I am using the thank you here from Simply Said. Why? Because it fits on this little strip of paper. So thank you, Leslie, because this wee little thank you, it's going to work. Hopefully it's going to fit. Well, I know it fits, but I want it to be right. I think it's too high. No, it's going to work just fine. So thank you is done. That's pool party on pool party. Check, done. Now we're going to stamp a background with the little floral, the larger of the two ones. We are just going to stamp full strength or second. No, we're going to go full strength. I do not know why, but this little flower does not stamp nicely when you stamp it off. So we're going to go full strength. Then I'm going to stamp here. We're just going to, oh no, that's getting a little, we want to stamp in the middle. We want to stamp up there, stamp here, there, stamp a little everywhere. Yep. Oops. That'll be covered up. Thank goodness. That's a little too close, but that's going to work nonetheless. Now we're going to stamp a little on the inside here, here. We're going to stamp our envelope. We have thank you. Oh. I'm trying to think of what to stamp on the inside, but I think we're going to leave it blank on the inside now. We're going to stamp here, and we're going to stamp here, just like that, and we are done. We're going to make a very simple little sweet card. Oh, I'm thinking now, thank you, you're the best. I like that. Thank you, you're the best. We're going to stamp you're the best. I don't need to. I can see that just falling. We're just going to stamp that right in the center. And that does not look, there must, okay, that's going to just be what it is. We're going to roll with it. So, I'm going to close up that ink pad. I almost put my finger right in it, trying to grab the bone folder. I want to grab the really nice bone folder that Phyllis sent, and I want to go over that edge. See, that is going to go right there. Aren't those pretty flowers? Yes, they are. They are pretty, pretty, pretty flowers. My hubby didn't need my help. My daughter's car makes doing the brakes a bit difficult. It's a Scion. It needs a special tool. He says it's a pain. But it suits her, right? Because he says she's a pain too. So, yes, it fits, right? So we have those. We're going to probably move that up a bit. Quick, simple card, guys. Nothing fancy here. Just quick, simple, easy going. So 1, 2. I'm still going to go out there. He's not ready to do the brake bleeding. And I like how it hangs off the side there. You could use a little strip of Pool Party as well. So, ta-da, ta-da, that's it. That is our card, right? Thank you, you're the best, which I don't like that. So let's see what I have. I'm looking to see if I have what I have that I can fix that. I don't like that. I don't like that. That won't work. I don't. You know what? We're going to restamp it and just put that there. We're going to restamp that because I don't like the way that looks. I can't do it. I can't leave it. I just can't do it. So we are going to do this and see what's up with that. I know that I probably stamped another color on here. That's Pool Party. So let's do this. You're the best, right? And then let's take the little flower and let's stamp here, there, just a little everywhere, right? All right. Now we're going to put that there. That's going to look so much better. See, this was a little scrap. I tell you, this is why I keep these little bits. Now it's way down here because I'm hopefully going to get it straight. But that's 100% better than what was there. So now I'm happy. And I have another card prepped for another video. So I'm so excited. I get to stamp today. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not doing anything. Hank's not, I don't gotta go to football, even though when you see this, I will be going to football. No. Today is my day. Today is my day. And we're going to add some stickily glitter glue to these flowers. Just in the center. A nice big dollop on there. That's it. Sweet, simple, just, I think this is really a lovely, sweet and simple stamping card. Just shows what you can do with the little ink and paper, right? So thanks for watching, everybody. And oh yes, can't believe how giddy I get. I do. I just love doing this. Thank you. Sincerely, thank you all so much. because I mean, I still would be happy, but not like this. Not this kind of happiness. This kind of happiness comes from sharing something you love with those who also enjoy the same hobby, the same interest, and it is tenfold sharing with you. Thank you for allowing me to do that on a daily basis. It is my sincerest pleasure doing this and having this channel and sharing it with you all. So please come back and visit me here in my wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.